Such a good kitty. Yes, such a baby. Such a baby. Is that good? Yes. It's very good. And Roxy. Hi, baby. Yeah. You like your milk? Kitten, kitten, kitten. Here's your meow meow. Can you have some more or go back to bed? So cute. Hi, Roxy. You're so cute, kitty. You all done? Is that all you want? Gonna get up and walk around? Let's see. Let's see. What are you gonna do?
Did you do the right on the refrigerator?
I nuked it a teeny bit. Yes. Oh, you can have a little more. That's good. Yes, you're a cute kitty. Yes, you're a very cute kitty. Yes. We love
Probably
pumpkin.
clear enough off of your nightstand to set the whole basket there. Because Roxy jumps up on the bed, so leaving her on the bed.
Yeah, I think I will. Yes. Hi, baby. What you want to do? Is Kitty ready for bed? Oh, you're going to go cuddle over there? Okay.